Today's topic is topology, network topology. What is topology? Topology is the physical structure of a network. In the other sense, it is a layout of connected device on a network. But too much simple definition is physical structure of a network. How our nodes are connected to each other. How and what structure can follow the nodes to connect it to each other. There are basically some logical layout of topologies. Mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, ring topology, tree and hybrid topology. But by proceeding one by one in detail, what are the major factors while selecting a topology? Which topology is best? Which one we can select? तो जो मेजर फैक्टर्स हैं किसी भी टोपोलॉजी को सेलेक्ट करने के लिए, फर्स्ट वन इज द रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ ए टोप. विच टोपोलॉजी इज मोस्ट रिलायबल. एज ऑफ इंस्टॉलेशन, कि कितनी आसानी से हम उसका इंस्टॉलेशन कर सकते हैं. इजी इंस्टॉलेशन किस टोपोलॉजी का है. एज ऑफ ट्रबल शूटिंग, कितनी आसानी से कोई भी अगर उसमें मिस हैपनिंग या एरर क्रिएट हुई है कैसे हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. प्राइस, प्राइस मीन्स मनी. हाउ मच मनी इज expend to build up a particular network. Scalability, how much network expand in each network, how much nodes are connected to maintain the reliability of a topology. Bandwidth capacity, delay in routing the information from one node to another node. Length of cable needed, future growth of a topology, cable type of a topology. So these are the certain parameters which can be used for selecting a particular topology in a particular type of network. Next, one point is most important: how much nodes you have required to connect a particular topology. Depend on the number of nodes to a connected in a network. One by one we can explain these topologies. These are network topologies. This is a physical structure, how our nodes are connected to each other to form a particular structure like a bus. One a backbone line. In this backbone line, all the nodes are connected to each other to form a bus topology. In this network, nodes are connected to each other to form a ring. So this is a ring topology. In this network, nodes are connected to each other to form a star. The middle node acts as a switch or hub. This is a extended star topology. This is a hierarchical or tree topology. Nodes are connected in the form of tree, and this is a mesh topology. In this topology, every node is connected to another every nodes. तो what is mesh topology? Here every device has a point-to-point link to every other device. Node 1. Node must be connected with n-1 nodes. A fully connected mesh can have n into n-1 divided by 2 physical channels to link n devices. It must have n-1 input-output port. Suppose you have 4 nodes, so 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2, so 4 multiplied 4 minus 1, that is 3. 4 into 3 is 12 divided by 2, that is 6. 6 links are used to connect every 4 nodes to each other. Advantage of mesh topology. They use dedicated links, so each link can only carry its own data load, so traffic problem can be avoided. Second one, it is robust. If any one link get damaged, it cannot affect other. It gives privacy and security. Message travels along a dedicated link. Fault identification and fault isolation are easy. Mesh topology is a most reliable topology available. This is a mesh topology. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 nodes are used. So 6 multiplied 6 minus 1 divided by 2, 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 2, that is 30 upon 2, 15. 15 links are used to connect each node to every other nodes. This is another node configuration of mesh topology. Disadvantage of mesh topology. The amount of cabling and number of input-output ports required are very large. Since every device is connected to each device through dedicated links, the sheer bulk of wiring is larger than the available space. Hardware required to connect each device is highly expensive. Applications of mesh topology: telephone, regional office, and wide area network. These are the applications of mesh topology. Next one is star topology. In star topology, here each device has a dedicated point-to-point link to the central controller called hub, act as a exchanger. Here every node are connected to a central controller device, that is called hub. There is no direct traffic between devices. The transmissions are occurred only through the central device, that is called hub. When device 1 want to send data to device 2, first send the data to hub, which then relay the data to other connected device. This is a physical structure of a star topology. This is a central device. This device is known as hub. Each node are connected through a hub. Suppose this node wants to send a data to this node. First, this node send a data to this, that is central device, and this central device can then send a data to this node. Advantage of star topology: less expensive than mesh since each device is connected only to the hub. Installation and configuration are easy. Less cabling is needed than mesh. Robustness: if one link fails, only that link is affected. All other links remains active. Easy to fault identification and to remove parts. No disruption to the network then connecting or removing devices. Here some disadvantages of star topology: even if require less cabling than mesh when compared with other topologies, it is still large ring or bus. Dependency: whole network depend on one single point, that is called hub. When it goes down, the whole network is dead. This is the main disadvantage of a star topology. Some applications of star topology: star topology used in local area network, that is LANs. High speed LANs often use stars. Another one topology, that is bus topology. A bus topology is multi-point topology. Here one long cable acts as a backbone. To link all the devices are connected to the backbone by a drop link lines and tabs. Drop lines is the connection between the devices and the cable. Tab is the splitter that cuts the main line. This allows only one device to transmit at a time. This is a backbone line. This is a terminator. These nodes are connected through a backbone lines. This is a tab. In this form, in this structure, the nodes are connected. This structure of a node connection is called bus topology. These T-terminator are called tabs. This form of structure is called bus topology. This is another example of bus topology. How nodes are connected. This backbone line. In this backbone line, every nodes are connected through a backbone line. Another example of sender can send data. This is a receiver, can receive data through this line. This is a terminator. Common bus is used. Bus topology. A device want to communicate with other device on the networks, send a broadcast message onto the wire all other devices see. Just see in the previous slides, the sender can broadcast a message. This message can be listened by this, listened by this, listened by this, listened by this, listened by this. So, in bus topology, A device want to communicate with other device on the network, send a broadcast message onto the wire all other devices see, but only the intended device accept and process the message. Some advantages of a bus topology: ease of installation and less cabling. This bus topology installation is too much easy and easy troubleshooting. Less cabling is required, but some of the disadvantages of a bus topology: difficult reconfiguration and fault isolation, difficult to add new devices, signal reflection at top, and degradation in quality if any fault in backbone can stop all transmission. The last one is the major drawback. Main drawback: some of the application. Most computer motherboard used bus topology. Next one is the ring topology. Here each device has a dedicated connection with two devices on either side. The signal is passed in one direction from device to device until it reaches the destination, and each device have repeater. When one device received signal instead of intended another device, its repeater then generates the data and passes them along. To add or delete a device requires changing only two connections. This is a physical structure of a topology, ring topology. These devices are connected to form a ring. So, this is called a ring topology. This is another structure in this direction of primary ring and secondary ring. Primary ring is direction opposite to the secondary ring. Direction indicates the flow of a data. This is another structure. In this structure, flow of data, flow of message in single direction. Nodes are connected to each other to form a ring. Some of the advantages of ring topology: easy to installation, easy to reconfiguration, fault identification is easily, but some of the disadvantage: it is a unidirectional traffic. Break in a single ring can break entire network. In this topology, if ring can be break, the entire network can be dead. Some of the applications of ring topology. Ring topologies are found in some office buildings or school campuses. Today, high-speed LAN made this topology less popular. Next one is tree topology. Alternatively refers to as a star bus topology. Tree topology is one of the most common network setup that is similar to a bus topology and a star topology. A tree topology connects multiple star network to a other star network. Below is a visual example of a simple computer setup on a network using the star topology. In star topology, this is a star. In this star setup, we can form a tree. This is a root node of a physical network. In this root node, the child nodes are connected to form a tree. Hybrid topology, a network which contain all type of physical structure and connected under a single backbone channel. These are a hybrid topology. In this topology, this structure follow the star topology. This is a bus topology. This is a tree topology. This is a ring topology. If particular structure of a network follow the multiple structure of a topology for a particular department to combine a network, this type of structure is called a hybrid topology. Consideration for choosing topology: we have already discussed money. Bus network may be less expensive way to install a network. That is, if we can emphasize on the money, we can use bus network. Length of cable needed: the linear bus network uses shorter length of cable. Future goal with star topology: expanding a network is easily done by adding other devices. Cable type: most common used cable in commercial organization is twisted pair cable, which often used with star topology. Full mesh topology is theoretically the best, since every device is connected to every other device, thus maximizing speed and security. However, it's quite expensive to install. Mesh topology is the most reliable topology available, so in the sense of the reliability of a network, if whole network cannot dead. Next best would be tree topology.